There's some heirloom tomatoes in a bed, and some of the stevia. And coming forward over here is the growing popcorn. It has gotten pretty good size. Backing up here a bit, that's a 6-foot fence behind it, so it's growing very well with the heat and the water. Unfortunately, a lot of farmers are just getting in the field at this time of year, and corn prices may be pretty high even for the field corn, but for other types it's kind of a difficult year. Small bed like this, we can do a lot of things that large farms can't do. It's just an example of a small personal bed.